Why do we need the special tools for maritime training centers? What is really the key challenges that a project like SkillSea has to address? In the shipping industry, and especially in the maritime training and education field, we have to address two main challenges: the challenge of internationalization and the challenge of the compatibility of content, procedures, and pedagogic approach of the various modules. What is the real challenge of internationalization? It is the nature of the industry. The shipping industry is global. It is just global. Challenges faced are global: safety, security, pollution, fatigue on board, well-being of mariners. All of these challenges are global. Therefore, what we need international cooperation, understanding, and communication. And this is achieved through a set of international rules that are also developed and enforced by all nations worldwide. Moreover, we have to face the challenge of the mobility of trainers and trainees. This is a key policy pillar of the European Union. It is a very complicated problem indeed. And lately, we have to face the challenge of the mobility among industrial segments. In the past, shipping was associated mainly with transportation services. Currently, modern needs and business activities expand to energy and coastal services too. The compatibility of the content, procedures, and pedagogical approach challenge is a little bit more subtle, more delicate. It is about the mobility of trainers and trainees. Trainees who wish to visit other facilities and get experiences in other countries. Trainers who wish to explore new professional paths. So as a problem, as you can see, it is more focused on the humans, on their background, on their skills and competencies. Therefore, the trainers, mainly of the hosting maritime training centers, need a tool to assess the background knowledge, skills and competencies of the visitor, or to guide the requests of visitors as per the regulations in place. Therefore, what we need a straightforward tool that supports decisions and the communication of all relevant information. How can one address these two problems? What is necessary to have? What we really need is a flexible tool that supports many and diverse criteria as well as alternatives. A tool that is based on widely accepted methodologies. A tool that enables group decision making. As you may know, in most cases, this group decision making is the rule. Board of directors, faculty meetings, collective decision making. Therefore, we need a tool to support these procedures. We need a tool that is transparent, not a black box. Everybody has to understand the steps and to be accountable, traceable for every single element. A tool that supports relative instead of absolute comparisons. Why relative? Because these problems are complex and there is not a unique approach to deal with them. There is more than one way to skin a cat, and we are aware of that. So our aim is not to rank alternatives, but to identify similarities and dissimilarities that can guide our human thinking and can support relevant decisions. Last but not least, we have used Microsoft Excel as a platform for our model. We do not want to reinvent the wheel. We use the analytic hierarchy process, a methodology that is widely applied in similar decision-making problems. And we try to keep things simple and clear. Let's see what and how we address the problems of internationalization and of the compatibility of content modules.